This is the finished product of my homemade ensaymada with mayonnaise and grinded sugar. Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah for another day. Today I'm going again to make another recipe which is very common in Philippines. We call it ensaymada. So these are all the ingredients. Half cup of sugar. I use this kind of cup. 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. So this is instant yeast. If you have active yeast, then you can dilute with warm milk and sugar. So this is instant yeast. And 1 whole egg, medium size. I will use also drops of vanilla essence and homemade butter. This is I already melted, 2 tablespoons. And 2 cups, 2.5 of all-purpose flour or breadcrumbs. So first we have to mix these ingredients. This sugar and then yeast and 1 egg, whole egg, and 1 cup evaporated milk, or I use this Tetra Pak milk, and this what you call this vanilla essence. Oh, sorry, forget this salt. Must be we have to put also salt. Pinch of salt. Now we have to mix this one by spatula. Now we can put now this butter here. I use this kind of evaporated milk pack. Now we have to use now our hand to mix this one or knead like this. The dough is very wet. Now I have to add more half cup of all-purpose flour or bread flour. Now we have to knead this one. I already knead this one for 4 minutes, but I have to knead again for 1 minute. So I think this is okay. Then I put oil here. I rub oil. And then we have to put here. And this rub for oil. Then I have to put now here. You see the dough. And I will put here in container. And you see this flour, I did not use all. So I will put here and then I will cover and leave for 30 minutes. So this is already the dough. I leave this one, I set aside for almost 1 hour. So it's very, very, what you call this, it's expand now. Now we have to put, sprinkle with flour here. And then we have to And then we have to shape in like this. This is the way how I make cut, or like this. And then we have to cut this one in how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. Now next we have to do is like this. Then we have to roll in long way like that. Must be like this. Dalawang dipa. So now we have to like this. And shape like ensaymada. Now I make already 4. So 2 more. This is last. Because I make only 3 cups or more than 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Six pieces ensaymada. So this is ready to bake, but I have to sit aside or leave this one again for 1 hour. You can bake also this one, and you can also fry. But I will think first if what is okay, but better I have to bake this one in my unique oven. I will cover this one and leave for sit aside for 30 minutes or 1 hour, then we will bake. I have 1 tablespoon of cream. This is cream for buffalo milk, which I boiled nighttime, then I remove from the milk. Then I have to add also 1 tablespoon sugar and evaporated milk. Then we have to mix this one, because I will use this one for toppings for ensaymada. This is the result after 1 hour. Now we have to put some toppings here. This is cream, evaporated milk, and sugar. I don't have brush, so I will use this one for brushing, like that. I already preheated this sand. Now we have to put now this one. And then we have to cover it. Then we'll check after 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's check after 15 minutes. Wow, mashallah. Umalsa ng husto, oh. Now we have to cover again. Night snack tayo kasi ano na 10 PM. Kaya gumawa ako ng ng black coffee o kaya kape kasi malamig. Kaya ayan, kain tayo ng ensaymada. Ayan, ito muna ang tikman natin. Ayan, bismillah wala barakatlah. Mm. 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 Malambot siya, oh. Sarap. Mm. 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 Okay lang naman yung pagkaluto niya. Mm. Ubos ang kape, meron pang pang-almusal bukas. Ako lang yung unang kumain.